The Rock Creek Project is a high-potential volcanic and sedimentary rock-hosted precious metal property, which is adjacent to mines with historical production, situated in the Tuscarora Mountains of northern Elko County, Nevada. Public lands in the area of the Rock Creek Project are administered by the U.S. Department of Interior Bureau of Land Management. The Rock Creek property consists of 72 unpatented lode mining claims in one contiguous block, comprising approximately 610 hectares. The Tuscarora Mountains host the northern end of the Carlin Trend mineralizations, a cluster of important large gold deposits. Most all of these deposits and Rock Creek share common features, including the geologic age of the mineralization, host rock types, proximities to center of volcanism, and intrusive rocks. The project is also located along the same northerly trending structural zone that begins in the Bootstrap Capstone mines and extends through the Wren deposit and Meikle mine, north through the Falcon Silver Mine to our project. Rock Creek lies at the intersection of the northwesterly trending Carlin Trend, the northerly trending Independence Trend, and a series of northeast structures that control mineralization at a number of mines in the region. Previous Rock Creek area explorers Homestake, Barrick Gold, Teck, and others were focused on high-grade bonanza-type precious metal veins, hosted within volcanic rocks or mineralization at the volcanic rock sedimentary rock contacts. Data available from previous exploration in the project area has identified large areas of widespread alteration in the volcanic rocks, containing anomalous values in gold and silver, with locally high concentrations of pathfinder elements. This rock exhibits alteration consistent with Carlin-type deposits and carries anomalous gold and gold mineralization pathfinder elements. This is the view looking up the northerly projection of the three quartz and sulfide veins that run up the center of the property. The purple cones and circles denote proposed drill holes we plan to drill in the late summer of 2019. As we fly around the property, we will be able to see the outcrops of the veins, which are generally noted a linear, dark, rubbly outcrop. In this southwest-looking view, we can see our proposed drill holes and part of the road network. Proposed hole 1 is located at the bend in the road at the top center of the scene. Note the truck in the top center of the view and the prospect pit in the center of the view. One of the veins, a dark rubbly outcrop, angles across the view through the mid-center of the screen between the truck and the prospect pit. Note the large tunnel opening and associated mine dump in the center of the view. The light rock on the dump is altered volcanic rock of rhyolite composition and quartz vein. This working is located on the south-central part of the claims. We're looking southwest from the center of the property toward the road network that transects the property from south to north. As we circle over the area, we can see where one of the mineralized veins, a dark rubbly rock, crosses the bend in the road. Proposed hole 2 is located along the road in the top left of the view, in the lighter colored area that looks like historic excavation. The location for proposed hole number 2 is now in view at the left center and upper left center of the view. One of the larger veins can be viewed in the lower left corner of the view, angling out of view at a 45-degree angle. Proposed drill hole 2 is located along the lower road in the center of the view. The road cuts across several smaller quartz veins. The location of proposed hole 3 has now come into view in the center of the screen. It is located in the large white area. Note the quartz vein, the dark rubbly outcrops, that's slicing through the top of the view above the scrape. Proposed hole 5 is located at the end of the road. The location of proposed hole 4 is now in the right center of the view. The black rocky outcrops on the left center of the view is another quartz vein. Proposed hole 4 is located in the center of this view. Note the dark rocky quartz vein outcrop in the left center of the view. Hole 4 is now dead center in the scene. Proposed hole 5 is in the upper center of the view, while hole 3 is in the lower center, and hole 4 is in the distant left center. Previous rock, soil, and gas samplings have helped to identify 5 initial areas of anomalous values that warrant drill testing. The anomalies are generally located along mineralized veins and their related silicified breccia zones. These mineralized vein zone targets are further enhanced by the permissive gold host sedimentary rock in the Rodeo Formation below the volcanic rocks. Rock and soil chemistry, detailed geological mapping, and an initial drill program have been proposed to further develop the anomalies and test them. This map shows initial rock sampling, veins, and proposed holes. It is believed that the proposed exploration program offers an excellent opportunity to discover new Carlin-type mineralization beneath the volcanic cover on this property.